what gap in my onboarding process is causing the biggest mistakes, confusions, or dependency on me, and why haven't I fixed it?
Sa onboarding.
Onboarding.
If I get it right, when you hire people, at the end of the day, naging dependent sila sa'yo. No? It still boils down to sa proper, like you said, onboarding. Pag hindi clear kasi yung sa kanila, where are you going as a business, diba? Hindi rin talaga clear sa kanila where to start, and everything will be dependent. Walang autonomy because they are dependent on you, diba? As opposed to doon pa lang sa onboarding, binigyan mo sila ng proper orientation, proper training doon sa gagawin, proper check-ins, because all organizations, iba-iba ang dynamics diba? Iba-iba ang culture and how they do it. So really, the proper onboarding, documentation, HR process is really the key